Welcome to the channel, guys. Alright, I'm back. I know I haven't uploaded a video in such a long time. I recently uploaded a video on how to install S14 seats in your S13. I'm actually really stoked. I'm actually sitting in my 240 right now, and I'm, comfortable in these seats that I installed in that video. Please comment down below what you guys think of that, video. How was it easy to follow? Was it interesting? Just give me your opinion. I would love to hear back from you guys. Honestly, I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, and this whole pandemic thing is just coming down on me hard. And I mentioned in the video that I uploaded that I tried getting my documents straightened out. Hey, it's going really slow right now, unfortunately. But here I am, showing you guys how these feel, how comfortable these seats feel, and they feel amazing. I love just the way these seats feel. They do raise, they are a little bit taller than the original seats that came off this car. They are a little bit taller, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see my head, but the top of my head is like, let's say, like 5 inches away from touching the liner, and I feel a lot taller in this car. I feel I can actually see over my hood of the front of my car, and when I'm going through the canyons with this vehicle and sitting in this seat, in the freshly installed seats, I feel comfortable. I feel hugged. I don't feel like I'm sliding around whatsoever. If you guys want to upgrade to S14 seats, I would highly recommend you guys to do it. One, it's cheap. Second, it's an easy install. And third, it's direct bolt-on. Direct bolt-on. You do not have to buy any brackets whatsoever from eBay or Amazon to mock up to your S13 chassis and then mock it up to your brand new racing seat. No, you guys can literally buy S14 seats for your S13, and you will be loving the price, loving the deal, and loving the comfort and luxury. And when I say luxury, they feel luxurious. So please just take this advice. If you guys don't want to, that's fine with me too. Do what you guys want. This is my way of doing what I want with my car. Another thing is, what's another thing that I can say? I have no idea whatsoever. But yeah, these seats are amazing. My girlfriend loves the seat. She doesn't complain anymore about getting out of this car. Oh, speaking about high in my head, touching the headliner, so these seats are a lot taller. I forgot the exact, they're like 2 inches or an inch and a half or 2 inches taller than the S13 seats. So when you guys install them and you guys go to get off your vehicle, you don't struggle as much to get out. I did, because I was a little bit lower to the ground of the bottom chassis, and I would struggle to get out since I'm a really tall guy. For you tall people out there, I don't know if you guys struggle to get out in really low cars. I know I do, and I'm doing DoorDash still. So hey, just come on, help me grow my channel, please. I will appreciate this a lot. Tell me what you guys want to see. I'm trying to come up with ideas. Oh, and by the way, my girl got herself a new car. I'll show it to you guys right now. This is my girlfriend's new car. I just ended up getting it this month. Reason for that being was because, one, we needed AC. Second, we were just freaking sweating like hot dogs. in that 240SX with S14 seats, and it was just a nightmare. I honestly cannot take the heat anymore. My girlfriend's birthday recently passed, and I was trying to get her something nice, something beautiful, something, you know, sweet, and just to be kind, you know, just to show her appreciation. And since I ended up selling her van like last year for $2,000, I just felt bad that she didn't have a car. That, you know, she would complain most of the time about my 240, like, hey, this car's a piece of shit, excuse my language, it's junk, you know. She doesn't like my car, you know, but she does enjoy it every now and then. It's just when it's hot, you know, it's humid, who can enjoy a car when it's at 100-degree weather, you know, honestly. So I just ended up getting her this car for her, and to me, this is a brand new car. I don't know to any of you if this isn't a brand new car. I mean, hey, that's your opinion. To me, it's a brand new car. It's more modern. It's up with the it's keeping up with the modern age nowadays, and I just love it. It has AC. That's good enough for me. You guys are looking at the inside of it right now. You guys can guess what it is, and I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes what kind of car it is. And since I sold her the van, since I sold the van and she was just tired of driving my car, I said, F it, let's go get her a car. And I was like, okay, why not? She has money saved up, I'm skillful, I can get a really good car at a really cheap price. So I was destined last month, it was, or I think it was this month, I was destined between March and July, between June and July, my bad. Between June and July, I was destined to find her a car before or after her birthday. And I came across this guy, and I just gotta say, the price was good for me, it was good enough for her. She didn't hesitate, I just jumped the gun, and I can say it was a really good purchase. I mean, driving a 240 without AC, I would say it's a good purchase.